Okay, we have a 2002 Dodge Ram 1500 5.9 liter V8. Having some issues with it, just randomly stop and running just while I'm driving, and then I wait about 15 minutes or so and it starts right back up. So I'm going to replace the coil cap, which is back there. Actually, I already done it. I'm just going to kind of show you what to do and how to put the cords back on in the right order. Also, for your firing order, it's right here on your block. You can also see your cylinder numbers as well. You have the even on the left on the passenger side and the odd on the right on the driver's side. So it's 1, 3, 5, and 7, and 2, 4, 6, and 8. And I'll show you where those go on the coil cap as well. Okay, so first thing we do is we take off the air box here. I've already removed mine. Take off the hose, which goes right on here, and then we pull off the air box. Okay, air box is off. I always put something in there to keep all the dust and dirt out. We can see our cap back there. Again, I already took the plugs off and put the new one on. There's just 2 screws on the side. You can see one there, and there's one on the left side, the little silver guys. Okay, so when you get your cap off, this is your cap. You see the number 1, that's where your first cylinder goes, and then it goes in a clockwise around the cap here, starting again with our firing order is 1, 8, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 2. So 1 starts here on the 1, then we go 8, 4, 3, 5, nope, sorry, 6, 5, 7, and 2. And then this is for our ignition coil, which is right there. Now you just replace that as well. Just 2 little bolts, and that sucker comes right out pretty easy. I'm also changing out all my spark plugs. You got 4 on this side down here. Can't get a good shot at that right now. And also my plug wires. It's kind of good habit to replace all these things at the same time. Also, this little guy, you just pull right out underneath the cap. This is what hits all the connections on the inside of this cap to fire. It's good to replace that as well. It's pretty cheap, $5. So, all right, again, I got my new cap in already, and my new little guy. I forgot what that thing's called. I always like to put my number 1 plug wire on. That way, you know, because it's kind of hard to see back there, I can then feel out where 8 and the rest go around, and then I just kind of leave it here. I put a little electrical silicone in all of my connections, and we're gonna, you know, just put all the wires back on, run them around. This will go to 1, and you know, 8's in the far back over here. And just follow your number guide right here on the block, and then also your cylinder numbers right here. And that's the best way to change that. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to throw them down here below, and I'll do what I can to answer all those questions. And again, you can see this cap was bad. You can see all the white corrosion in there. It's horrible. Oh, by the way, always unplug your battery negative side first before you do any of this, please, just to mitigate any risk of electricity or getting shocked, whatever. All right, bye.